Hello students, I am going to explain standard 10 chemistry acids, base and salts part 3, that is salts. So salts, you know how salts is prepared. When acid react with base or added with base, it forms salt and water. But definition is salt is a compound found by the partial or total replacement of the ionizable hydrogen atoms of an acid by a metallic ion or an ammonium ion. So this is known as your salt. So partial replacement of below 200 degrees Celsius, you got your acidic salt. If you one hydrogen atom or more than one hydrogen atom present in that salt, that is known as acidic salt. If there is the absence of hydrogen, that is normal salt. If there is hydroxyl ion, that is basic salt. So classification of salts: generally normal, acidic salt and basic salts. Then methods of preparation of salts. See page 50, table 3.5.2, very important. How can you prepare? By direct combination, by simple displacement, by decomposition of your metallic carbonate, by metallic sulfides, and a neutralization reaction or titration. These are the important page number 50, table 3.5.2. Then in page number 51, solubility of salts. See in page number 51, so which salts are soluble, which salts are not soluble. These are the important table. Okay, so you have to remember it. Preparation of insoluble salts. So lead plus sulfur, by heating it forms lead sulfide. So lead sulfide is a insoluble salt. From page 50, table 3.5.2 and page 55, solubility of salts, you see which salts are soluble. Generally sodium, potassium and ammonium hydroxide, ammonium salts are soluble salts. Then by the combination of acidic oxide with a basic oxides. So sulfur dioxide and calcium oxide, this is metallic oxide, it is acidic oxides, then it forms a insoluble salt, calcium sulfite. By double decomposition of sodium sulfite and barium chloride both in aqueous state, then it forms barium sulfate, which is a precipitate salt, and one sodium chloride salt. Then laboratory preparation of some salts by synthesis. Ferric chloride, iron, heat iron added with the dry chlorine gas to form ferric chloride, that is synthesis process. Then your displacement reaction. So green vital, white vital, blue vital can be prepared by this method. Zinc added with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. This zinc sulfate added with 7 molecules of water to form zinc sulfate dot 7 water, that is white vitriol. Then ferrous sulfate dot 7 water means green vitriol can be prepared by same method, and blue vitriol also prepared by this method, that is displacement reaction. Then preparation of lead chloride or calcium chloride by double decomposition reaction. This is the method. When lead nitrate added with the acid HCl to form lead chloride precipitate and nitric acid. Same calcium chloride added with the sodium carbonate, one salt, it forms calcium carbonate and sodium chloride, one salt. Then number 4, preparation of acid salt, that is sodium bicarbonate. When sodium carbonate added with the carbon dioxide and water, it forms sodium bicarbonate. This is the preparation of acid salt. Then neutralization reaction, base with acid to form salt and water. Then number 6, preparation of sodium sulfate dot 10 water, that is titration. This is the titration method. Acid and base, or a neutralization of an acid with a base, sodium hydroxide added with sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate and water. In titration method, you have to take the base in a conical flask, then add some drops of phenolphthalein. So base and acid both colorless, but when added with your phenolphthalein, then few drops of phenolphthalein, then color changes to pink. Then add the acids by a burette. See page number 55, there is figure given. So fill the burette by acids, dilute acids with your 100 ml or 50 ml full up. Then drop the acids by a burette. See, when the color of the pink solution changes to colorless, then stop the key, then take the reading, then that is the point of base reading. Or add acid and base to form a salt and water, that is known as titration method, or neutralization of an acid with a base by titration method with the your indicator. Thank you.